Take a ride in the 2020 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.